The question reads, I am facing east. I turn right and walk 10 meter. Then again I turn right and walk 20 meter. Then I turn left and walk 30 meter. Then I turn right and walk 30 meter again. Then I turn left and walk 10 meter, and then again turning left I walk 90 meter. In which direction am I from the starting point? So my dear little friends, this question seems to be very verbose for you, but in fact this question is very easy. So for such type of question, you need to solve the question as you read the question to make your act of solving the problem faster. As a convention, this direction is taken as east, this direction is taken as west, the arrow upwards is north and downwards is south. So this is the convention basically we follow while solving such questions. So I would suggest you to follow this same convention. So these directions from here to here, this direction will be northeast, as because it is between north and east direction. This direction is northwest, this direction is southwest, and this direction is southeast. So all these directions are with reference to the point in between, that is over here. We may call this as point P. The point over here is towards the northeast of point P. This point is towards the southwest of point P. So this is how we speak or refer to when we talk about directions. So now let us solve the question following this particular convention. So I am facing east. The first line says I am facing east. So this is the east direction. So I am facing over here. So this is my point. I turn right. So if I am facing in this direction and if I turn right, then definitely I will turn towards south and I walk 10 meter. So I walk 10 meter in this direction. So let us write down 10. Then again I turn right. So if I face this direction and then I turn right. So here you have turned. Let me write it down. I turn right over here. Then at this point I again turn right. So I will write R for the right direction. If I am facing down towards south, then if I turn right, I will be walking in this particular direction and I walk 20 meter. So now I am facing this direction. Then it says then I turn left. So if I am facing this particular direction, then if I turn left, then definitely I will be turning in this direction, and it says and I walk 30 meter. So this is 30. So I stop over here after walking for 30 meters. Here it has turned left. Now it says then I turn right and walk 30 meters again. So 30 meters from here towards right will be in this direction. So how I am saying that if I turn right I will be running in this direction is just you imagine yourself facing this direction. It will be clear that if you face this direction looking over in this direction, then definitely if your right hand will be in this direction. So if you turn right, it will be over here, and then I walked for 30 meters. So I turn right and walk 30 meters. Then I am facing over here in this direction. My right hand is over here and my left hand is over here, and it says that I turn left. So I turn left. So I will be turning in this direction and I walk 10 meter. So this is your 10 meter. Then again I turn left. So if I am looking in this direction, then my right hand will be here and my left hand will be over here. So then I turn left and I walk 90 meters from here. So turning left, I walk 90 meters from here. So let me walk 90 meters from here. Suppose this is the 90 meter. So I stop over here. My initial point was somewhere here and my final position is here. So let me write down. This is my final position and this is my starting position. And my dear little friends, this is 90 meters. So this will cross apart this particular portion. As you can see, this is 30 meter. This comes over here. So 30 and this much is 30 and this much is 20. this much is 20. So this is basically 50 and this is 40. The figure is not to the scale. And then from here the question is, in which direction am I from the starting point? So if this is starting point, then I am in which direction? This is the basic question. So this is the direction. This is the direction. So you can see that this is east and this is south. So definitely my position is between east and south. So I am now I am towards southeast from the starting point. So I am in the direction of southeast from the starting position. So this will be the answer. Southeast is option A. So option A is the right answer to this question. So I hope you have understood. If not, please rewind the video and view again for clarity of understanding. Keep practicing. Thank you.